my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I will be sharing with you how to make your own vegan gummy bears using Young Living's Ningxia Red juice. So if this is something that you'd want to see, please keep watching. Okay, so this recipe is very simple. First, you will be needing a 1/4 cup of your Ningxia Red, so this is 1/4 cup. And then put it to boil. Next, you'll need 1 tablespoon of your agar powder. This is your vegan alternative to Jello. Then give it a little stir. Then add in 1 teaspoon of honey. So bring everything to boil. While stirring everything continuously. If it's a little too thick, you can add in a cup of water. But if the consistency is right for you, you can leave it as is. So you can add in a cup of water. Make sure to use low heat while stirring everything together. So now my mixture is still a little curdy. Just continue mixing everything until everything is equally liquefied before you add in your oils. You may want to add a little more water if you think it's too thick. Or you can leave it as is and try to melt everything together. Right, so I increase the fire a little. Well, continue stirring everything. Remember, don't add your essential oils while the heat is on. Just bring everything to boil. Boiling now. Right, so now that it has come to a boil, let's try to stir everything together so everything is melted. Okay, now that everything is liquefied and melted, add in 2 drops of citrus fresh. And 2 drops of lime. Two to 3 drops will do. And stir very, very well. The smell is so amazing. Once you bring it to a boil, try to put it in the mold as fast as you can. can solidify quite fast. If it goes solid before you put it in the mold, don't worry, just add a little water and bring it back to boil. You can also add cocoa milk or any other nutritious ingredients. The milk will make this looking pastel, but as is, it will look translucent. Okay, so you have to act fast because it's slowly turning into a jelly on its own. Okay, so this is actually the challenge here when you're putting it inside the mold. So it's better if you use like a bigger mold like this. This is a nice sized mold. I know you can see online the little gummy bears mold. Let me try that too. Hold on. So you can pop this in the fridge for about 30 minutes to let it set. Alright, so I've just remelted my jello, and let's try to put it in this little gummy bear mold. I have to act fast because it can be quite tricky. And I tried using the mini dropper that came with this mold, but it's so much harder to deal with that. It's actually easier if you use a teaspoon to fill up each bear. So that's the trick. Every time your jello starts becoming solid, just put it back in the fire and bring it to boil. So let me just pop this in the freezer or in the fridge for 30 minutes and I'll get back to you. So here's our final output. Ta-da! So here's our Ningxia gummies. Not sure if you can see it, but here's how it is. It's a little bear. And it's a little translucent because I added water as we went along. But it's very firm and you can really taste the lime in it. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed my video for today. I enjoyed making these Ningxia gummy bears with you. If you have other questions, don't forget to leave them down through the comments below or message me through my social media accounts. I'm online most of the time. But before we end this video, I would like to invite you to come to my bath bomb and shampoo bar workshop. I'll put the event invite here. So registration is still open. You can invite your friends, anyone who's interested to create their own shampoo bars. It's gonna be awesome because we brought in all the machines that you need for that day. And I'm really excited to have that workshop and I hope to see you there. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making these Ningxia gummy bears. And I hope to see you in my next video.